Okay, I want to show you how to solder a wire to a component without any soldering iron. First thing we're going to do, in case your component is oxidized a little bit, just scrape it off so it's nice and shiny there. Same thing with the wire if necessary. Now, take the component and lead and twist it around the wire and vice versa. Either way is fine, clockwise or counterclockwise. Just get them wrapped around each other. Then we take a little bit of solder, an inch or so, and wrap it around there. Okay, wrap it around it a few times, cut it off, take a match. Okay, heat it. Right at the tip of the flame is where you want it. And there you are. Might be a little messy, a little bit of soot there, but it's soldered. Don't need a soldering iron. Better if you have one, but if you don't, can't really get much better than that. And it's plenty strong. It's not going to come loose. No soldering iron, not a problem. As long as you can get the flame under it, as long as you can get a match, that'll work.